world is a better place because some common people are doing some uncommon deeds day after day. The Times Now Amazing Indians Awards 2024 is back to recognize them and convey their inspiring stories to you. In this episode, meet the solar water pump pioneer Dr. Sarita Subramaniam from Mumbai, India's foodman Vishal Singh from Lucknow, and Razia Sheikh from Chhattisgarh, who has transformed the lives of tribal women. The guts to glory stories behind these men and women are what got them nominations and finally the winning nod from the jury at the Times Now Amazing Indians Awards 2024. Let's begin with the category of environment sustainability. Dr. Sarita Subramaniam and Dr. P.V. Subramaniam are dentists based in Mumbai. Their interest in wildlife conservation led them to establishing an NGO named Earth Brigade Foundation in 2016. An observation of a tigress drinking water from a dried-up pond in the Kanha Tiger Reserve led them to a solution that has become a savior for wildlife in India.
In just 6 years, we've managed to do over 140 solar installations across the country. We've done 143 installations in 10 different reserves, tiger reserves, and around 20 total sanctuaries.
These solar-powered installations have helped in conserving habitats and vegetation in many tiger and forest reserves. This sustainable solution is going a long way in preventing human-wildlife conflict situations also.
There is an immediate impact. Number one, typically, an area where the water hole would dry up in the summers. Now, because of our installation, those water holes always have water. And the presence of wildlife coming and visiting those water holes and drinking water, there is a substantial proof that what we have done is very effective. So from across India, we keep getting reports, videos, photos of the animals coming to the water holes and drinking water, where previously those water holes were drying up in the summer. So there's a very clear effect of that impact.
Thanks to the Earth Brigade Foundation's EBF's solar installations, lakhs of wild animals, both big and small, now have access to drinking water in their preferred habitats and territories in and around the Dhikala campus in Corbett Tiger Reserve. Dr. Sarita, the driving force behind EBF's goal of installing solar-powered water pumps, is happy to have completed their 100th solar installation at the Corbett Tiger Reserve.
Doing installations in the forest is a completely different ball game as compared to setting up pumps in rural areas. The terrain is very difficult, the inherent risk of wildlife attacks is very there, and logistics is also very difficult. But I have a very dedicated solar team and they are ever willing to work and do the installations because they also know what they are doing for wildlife.
So far, the government had been using the traditional methods of filling water holes with water tankers. But Dr. Sarita's foundation has been able to find a sustainable solution.
There is a huge water scarcity in our forests, which the Forest Department for decades has been trying to solve. So the way the Forest Department would do is earlier, they would use tankers. Water tankers, diesel tankers to fill water in the different water bodies. But that obviously it's not a renewable and sustainable way of delivering water. That's why we use solar powered, which is renewable, non-polluting, low maintenance. The tankers now are not used anymore and the carbon emission has come down thanks to us using solar powered energy.
The solar power water pumps ensure the water supply reaches areas which are farther away so that animals can drink in their own territory.
Animals are territorial. A tiger here will not want to go to another water body to drink water. It would rather take up the resources here. Second, there are many small animals which can't travel 3.5 kilometers to reach the water source. So we have to provide water wherever it is possible for them.
EBF and Dr. Sarita's work has received high recommendation and references. As a result, they have now started getting calls from many wildlife parks in India to provide their sustainable solar water pump solution.
I congratulate them for the wonderful initiative they have taken, and in many of the central Indian landscapes, especially like where I worked in Kanha, where they have done the work, also in the Pench Tiger Reserve of Madhya Pradesh. In all, they have installed more than 100 solar water pumps, so that is a major contribution towards wildlife conservation.
As EBF's model is easily replicable, sustainable, non-polluting and low maintenance, in the near future, Dr. Sarita hopes to reach the 500 solar water pumps installation mark soon.
By providing water inside the forest, not only do we give water security for wildlife inside the forest, we also help in habitat generation and helping the ecosystem thrive in a self-sustainable way. So if the grassland management is done better because of the availability of water, the wildlife benefit because the herbivore population benefits. Similarly, the woodland, the grassland management all together help in minimizing carbon emissions also.
It was a special moment for Dr. Sarita Subramaniam when she was awarded the Times Now Amazing Indians Award 2024 for Earth Brigade Foundation's path-breaking work in promoting sustainability and addressing environmental challenges. The award can open the path for more funds and collaborations. Let's move on to our next category, food management and nutrition. From environment sustainability, let's turn our focus to the category of food management and nutrition, where Vishal Singh's Vijay Shri Foundation has been getting the blessings of hundreds of people who attend to their relatives in numerous hospitals of Lucknow.
ये सेवा पथ का रास्ता निरंतर चलते आज लगभग 16 साल निरंतर हो गए। एक अस्पताल से 2 अस्पताल, 2 अस्पताल से 3 अस्पताल, धीरे धीरे हम लोग आगे बढ़ते चले गए। लगभग 1000 लोगों पर डे अस्पताल में भोजन कराना।
Vishal, who named his initiative after his father Vijay, faced many hurdles while finding a place in hospitals to carry out the work for his charitable foundation. But once he got the support of those who believed in him, there was no looking back.
It is not only a service to the society but to the nation also, and many of us are also contributing in this. I am seeing this since last 10-15 days. It was started from KGMU, but this foundation is now giving food free of cost in many hospitals of KGMU, including Ramanohar Lohia Hospital, Civil Hospital, Balrampur Hospital. That is a very good thing that the patients' relatives, those who are coming from different districts and different states, they have nothing here. They don't have any other relatives or something like that. So it is very helpful for them.
For the patients who come from far and are not able to afford outside food, Vishal's kitchen has come as a godsend.
हम लोग जो कैंसर पीड़ित तीमारदार हैं, अन्य बीमारी से तीमारदार हैं, उनके पास हम लोगों ने वार्डों में जाकर टोकन देना शुरू किया और फिर वह लोग वहां पर आते हैं। जैसा कि आपने वीडियो में देखा होगा या कभी भी आप फूडमैन विशाल सिंह देखकर सर्च करेंगे, जितने भी लोग आते हैं उन्हें प्रेम भाव से चौकी पर बैठाकर संकल्प ये लिया था कि जैसे एक बिटिया की शादी रोज होगी, उस विचार से जब तक कर पाऊंगा तब तक करूंगा।
Vishal had to face tough times like being forsaken by his family for his passion to help the needy. But he took everything in his stride and became stronger in his mission.
मैं कई बार डिप्रेशन में भी गया क्योंकि सबसे पहले मेरे परिवार ने मेरा तिरस्कार किया। उन्होंने कहा कि पागल हो गया है।
After many years of single-minded dedication, Vishal has been able to establish a name which attracts many beneficiaries at various hospitals in Lucknow.
बहुत अच्छा खाना खिलाते हम लोग को, तो मतलब सहारा उन्हीं को सहारा है, तो हम कहाँ जाते, कहाँ खाते, कितना होटल में खाते, मरीजों की इलाज करते हैं। लाए हैं 10,000 रुपया घर से, सारा जांचे मेरा चला गया। अब मेरे पास पैसे भी नहीं है, मैं कहाँ जा सकूँ।
Not everyone is sparing their time, and currently if talk to me like I'm coming from a corporate, I know time is really important, and if someone is really dedicating his whole life, he's been working for last 16 years for this cause. It's a long period, trust me, he's a godsend.
When faced with a paucity of funds, Vishal Singh started a new initiative which involved the local community and the special days in their lives.
इसी व्यवस्था को और सुचारू करने के लिए हम लोगों ने लोगों से कहा कि अपना बर्थडे बनाएं, अपनी मैरिज एनिवर्सरी बनाएं। तो धीरे धीरे समाज भी आगे आया, उन्होंने मदद की, कुछ लोग आए उन्होंने मदद, कुछ बड़े अधिकारी हैं उन्होंने मदद की।
As a mark of recognition and appreciation for Vijay Shri Foundation, the government of Uttar Pradesh gave Vishal Singh and his team the responsibility of taking care of the people's food requirements at various hospitals during the COVID-19 pandemic.
कोविड काल के दौरान जब लोग बाग भूखे प्यासे इन रास्तों पर गुजर रहे थे, तो आपदा एवं राहत विभाग के माध्यम से हम लोगों ने 7.5 लाख लोगों को ऑन रिकॉर्ड, जिसका हमारे पास डाटा है, वो हम लोगों ने दिया। 5 कम्युनिटी किचन बनाए। ये जो कम्युनिटी किचन नाम है, मेरी मुख्य सचिव थे अवनीश अवस्थी जी, उनसे बात हुई, उनसे एक विचार हुआ। लखनऊ के डीएम थे अभिषेक प्रकाश जी, उनके साथ बात हुई और उन्होंने कहा कि विशाल किस तरह से किया जाए, क्योंकि मुझे अनुभव था।
Vishal is now aiming very high. He wants to get India out of the global hunger index and is campaigning for people to donate food every day.
इस कलयुग में यदि हमें सेवा करने का सौभाग्य प्राप्त हो जाए तो शायद हमारा ये जीवन सफल हो जाए। इसके लिए मैंने कुछ गुल्लक बनाई, लोगों से निवेदन किया कि क्या आप दिन में एक आदमी को भोजन कराने का संकल्प ले सकते हैं। अगर हमें हंगर फ्री वर्ल्ड की रचना करनी है, इस भारत को उस हंगर इंडेक्स से निकालना है, तो इसके लिए थोड़ा सा काम करने की जरूरत है।
It is these thoughts and actions that have catapulted Vishal Singh's Vijay Shri Foundation into the winners list at the Times Now Amazing Indians Awards 2024. It was a proud moment for him as he received the prestigious award from the dignitaries on stage. No doubt, the recognition will go a long way in making Vishal Singh a more determined man to achieve his noble objectives. Let's move on to our next category of girl child and women's rights empowerment. While serving the needy with food was Vishal's passion, Razia Sheikh is delivering empowerment through various food items made from a special plant grown in Chhattisgarh. Belonging to the Bastar district, Razia Sheikh set up Bastar Food Firm in 2019 after working as a researcher for the state government's Safe Motherhood Initiative. While working there, her observations on the rich natural resources and the condition of women and children convinced her about setting up her own venture.
Being a microbiologist, I have seen कि यहाँ पे न्यूट्रिशन का काफ़ी स्कोप है। जंगल में काफ़ी रिच रिसोर्सेज है जिसका कि यूज़ हम जो माल न्यूट्रिशन जैसे जो टॉपिक्स है उसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। देन हमने फिर डिसाइड किया कि चलो हम कुछ ऐसा वेंचर डिज़ाइन करें जहाँ पर हमारे ये जो ट्राइबल वुमेंस हैं और जो ट्राइबल के जो बच्चे हैं वो ज़्यादा बेनिफिट हो। सो आई डिसाइडेड टू स्टार्ट दिस बस्तर फूड फॉर्म।
It was not easy in the beginning as most of the male members of the tribal families were against the women folk working.
जो सपोर्ट में नहीं होते थे उन्हें हमें थोड़ा सा कन्विंस करने के लिए वक्त लगा, जब उनकी फीमेल्स हमारे साथ काम करने लगी, हमने उन्हें पूरा प्रोटेक्शन दे के रखा था, और जब रेवेन्यू उनके हाथ में दिया और वो ये पैसे जब ले जाकर अपनी फैमिली में उनके मेल पार्टनर को देते थे, तब उन्हें लगा कि नहीं, दे आर वर्किंग जेन्युइनली।
Within a short time, Razia Sheikh's venture, the Bastar food firm, gained credibility and started generating revenue from the sale of traditional products made from the Mahua plant.
The biggest significant achievements की अगर हम बात करें तो ये जो महुआ है, जिसको कि विलेजेस में लीकर बनाया जाता है, और लीकर से आप सब जानते हैं किस तरीके के कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज होते हैं। कई पेरेंट्स होते हैं जो लीकर पी के इधर उधर लाइक अपने टाइम को ऐसे ही वेस्ट करते हैं, जिसकी वजह से उनके बच्चों को इसका खामियाजा भुगतना पड़ता है। तो जो बिगेस्ट अचीवमेंट था वो था ये कि महुआ जो लीकर एक पार्ट था, उसको हमने न्यूट्रिटिव सब्सटेंस में चेंज करवाया, और उससे आज हमारी कंपनी का एक ब्रांड नेम तय हुआ। आज कोई भी हो ये नहीं बोलता कि बस्तर फूड फर्म है, ये बोलते हैं कि महुए की कंपनी आ रही है और महुए के टीम आ रही है, तो उनको थोड़ा सुनो।
Procuring Mahua flowers at a higher rate than the liquor companies, employing tribal girls, leveraging traditional know-how and employing her savings. Razia did all of this with a humane and scientific approach, with product diversification that soon improved the firm's operating profits.
450 महिला जो किसान है वो आज हमसे जुड़ के महुआ प्रोक्योरमेंट का काम करती हैं। ये महुआ प्रोक्योरमेंट जो भी हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट के द्वारा किया जाता है, फिर इस महुए को हम लंदन एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं।
The collaboration between O Forest and Bastar Foods, I feel, is invaluable in the sense where we can only take this from strength to strength. We're bringing academia and learning curves from Europe, North America, UK, of course, established is the company there, but how we can actually jointly move forward and take Mahua on a global stage.
Razia is also passionate about educating the girl child and empowering the tribal communities in the districts of Bastar, Dantewada and Sukma, amongst others. Providing opportunities to learn and grow at her company has opened doors for many young adults to work in a professional setup or business venture.
बस्तर फूड में आके उनका लाइफ जो है काफ़ी अच्छे से चेंज हुआ है उनका। जैसे कि यहाँ पे जो आदिवासी जो बच्चे हैं उनकी पढ़ाई का जो खर्चा होता है वो रजिया मैडम ही पूरा उठा रहे हैं, और उनको इंग्लिश सिखाते हैं, उनको मार्केटिंग सिखा रहे हैं, बिजनेस के जो छोटे छोटे जो पहले वो भी सिखा रहे हैं। तो ये देखा जाए तो आदिवासी जो बच्चे हैं ये उनके लिए काफ़ी अच्छा है। और मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि आदिवासी इलाके में जो भी अपना खुद का कैरियर बनाना चाहते हैं या पढ़ाई के लिए कुछ भी दिक्कत रहता है, मैं ये बोलूँगी कि बस्तर फूड्स में एक बार आए, एक बार हमारे काम को देखें, या फिर हमसे जुड़ के वो काम करना चाहते हैं तो वो आ सकते हैं। इसके लिए वो
फिर मेरे को बस्तर फूड के बारे में पता चला और मैंने बस्तर फूड ज्वाइन किया। इसमें प्रोडक्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कैसे करते हैं, डेवलपमेंट कैसे करते हैं और सेल्स कैसे करते हैं, सारी चीज़ें सीखी, और अभी मैं सेल्स का काम कर रही हूँ। हाँ, इससे मैं ये सीखने को मिला कि लोगों तक अपने प्रोडक्ट कैसे पहुँचाएं, कैसे सेल करते हैं। इसके साथ साथ मैं इंग्लिश क्लास, कंप्यूटर सीख रही हूँ।
With an educated and skillful workforce, Razia's company has earned a good revenue. The income of the employees has percolated to over 1,000 tribal families. A number of nutritious products have been made which have become popular in the market. This has led to decrease in consumption of liquor and a healthier and prosperous society.
इस प्लेटफॉर्म को हम डिज़ाइन कर रहे हैं, यानी कि बस्तर फूड फर्म को हम एक बड़े एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूट के फॉर्म पे हम देखना चाहते हैं, जहां पर ट्राइबल बच्चे जिनके हाथों में कलम होनी चाहिए वो आएंगे और ट्रेनिंग लेंगे, ताकि हाथों में बंदूक को हटाकर हम पेन उनके हाथ में देना चाहते हैं और इस फूड टेक्नोलॉजी के ज़रिए ग्लोबल मार्केट और इंटरनेशनल एरियाज़ में बस्तर फूड फर्म का नाम ऊँचा करना चाहते हैं। यही हमारा ड्रीम है।
It has been a remarkable journey for Razia Sheikh, and the Times Now Amazing Indians Award 2024 for her can accelerate the scale of growth for Bastar Foods firm and further boost its work in the field of girl, child and women rights empowerment.